is Johnny Blade. This is the guitar solo from Mr. Crowley by Ozzy Osbourne. So you're in the D minor pentatonic in the 10th position. Rock and roll blues scale. So it starts with a very bluesy, almost Chuck Berry kind of riff. 4 times on that. So that first part of that solo, bend with either your second finger, which a lot of blues and rock guys do, or the more proper way would be with your third finger. 3rd string, 12th fret. Now you want to use your second and first finger behind that to get the strength to get the bend. So when you do the bend, then you want to bar your first finger on second and first string of the 10th fret. 4th finger on 13th fret of the second string, pull off to the 10th fret with your first finger. Four times. So this could be with your 4th finger to first finger, then 4th finger on second string, back to first finger, first string. Fourth finger on second string to first finger on second string. 4th finger, first finger again. 3rd finger on 3rd string, 12th fret, back to the second string. Third finger, first finger on 3rd string, back to 3rd finger, first finger. 3rd finger is now on 4th string, first finger on 3rd string, 4th string again with your 3rd finger to the first finger on 4th string, down to the 3rd finger on the 12th fret of 5th string. Now these notes will generally all be picked. You know, you can do pull-offs and but to really get that Randy Rhoads sound on this, you want to pick every note. Okay, the second part is on 4th string with your first finger on 10th fret. Hit it 3 times. 3, 1, 3. And on the 3rd string, same thing. Hit it 3 times. 3, 1, 3. 2nd string. Hit it 3 times. Now you want to slide your second finger up to the D note, which is on 15th fret. So once you hit that note, first finger on first string, 13th fret, 3rd finger on 16th fret, second finger on 15th fret, back to first finger. And then it just climbs up kind of randomly, about 4 times. So then you're ending at 20th fret with your 3rd finger. Bend up, hit it, and then bend back down. Hit it twice and then bring it back down. So up until this point, here it is slowly. This climb up could be like a down up pull. Okay, then it's 4-1. Then it's 4-1 pull off. 2-1 pull off. Fourth finger on second string. First finger on first string. 4-1 pull off on second string. 2-1 pull off on second string. And on fourth finger on the second string. Then the descending riff is 2-1 on first string. Fourth finger on second string, back to first finger on first string. For 2-1, it's a 4, 2, and then pull off. So pick the first 2 notes, pull off the next one. Two, 1 pull off. Third finger on third string. First finger on second string. 3-1 pull off. 3-1 pull off again. Third finger on fourth string. First finger on third string. 4-3-1 on fourth string. Fourth finger on fifth string. First finger on fourth string. 3-1 pull off on fifth string. And then end on 3 on the fifth string. Then you want to bend on the second string, either with your third or fourth finger. 3-1, 3-1. 1-2-1 hammer pull off. Actually pick and then pull off. Pick, pick, pull off. Third finger on third string. Hit that third string note with your third finger twice and bend up. Like a step and a half. Okay, the next part of the solo is back down in 10th position. Eight times on this pattern, which is 4-1 on first string, 4 or third finger, either third or fourth finger, third finger on second string, back to first finger on first string, 3-1 on the second string. Now it's, the third finger is generally a little stronger than the fourth finger, so it makes it a little easier to use that finger. Okay, so after you do that riff 8 times, you jump down to second and third string, go down, so you're on 10th fret with your first finger, down to 9th fret, 1-2-1 on third string, hammer pull, drop down 2 frets, 1-3-1 pull off, drop down 2 more frets, so 1, 2, 1 on second string, 5th and 6th fret. Third finger, 3rd string. 1, 2, 4, then 1, 2, 1 on 1st string. 1, 2, 1, then 4 on 2nd string. Back to 1 on 1st string. 4, 2 on 2nd string. Jump to your 3rd finger on 2nd string, 8th fret. Full bend. 4th finger on 1st string, 8th fret. Back down on the bend, and then 1, and then 2nd finger on 3rd string, 7th fret. Jump back to your 3rd finger, 3, 1 on 3rd string, 2, 1 on 2nd string, pull off, back to 3, 1 on 3rd string, 3, 2, 1 on 4th string, slide down a whole step to 3rd fret, 3rd finger on 5th fret of the 3rd string, on 4th string, slide up 1 fret, back down 1 fret, 1st finger on 4th string, 3, 1 on 5th string, 3, 1 on 4th string, 3, 1 on 5th string again, 3rd finger, step and a half bend. Kind of hard to do that bend because it's a long bend on a thick string, but if you have your 2nd and 1st finger behind it, so the ending note is E on 5th string, 7th fret, 4 times. 2nd finger on 6th string, 2nd fret, half step bend up to G. Or, you know, if you got the whammy bar, you hit the G and bend it down. If you don't got the whammy bar, bend and bend it back down. So that whole section so on the live version, he does 5th string, 4th fret, 5th fret, 7th fret, 7th fret on 4th string. But on the studio version, back to the 3rd verse. So there you have it. There's the guitar solo of Mr. Crowley. Tune in to my next video on the bridge and the ending solo of Mr. Crowley.